Want to know how to calculate remainder of a number in Java? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily calculate a remainder between two numbers. So let's get straight to it. So in this code, we use modulo operator, that is this right here. So you can see up the screen, this is a modulo operator on line 9 right here. So we're just going to use this on our code. So for example, if we divide 7 by 15, we have created 2, that is 17 and 5 in this code. The modulo operator is super useful in these kind of scenarios, like checking if a number is even or odd, looping in circular arrays, or performing repeated tasks. So what we do is, in this code, we just simply assign the dividend and divisor, apply modulus, and print the remainder. That's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you easily get the remainder. So I'm just going to run this code to show you how it works. And there you go. Super simple and easy, right? I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.